Well, hello, my fabulous peeps. I am Melanie Warren, also known as Teacher Melanie, your financial life coach. And today we're going to talk about what are the legal structures as it relates to building your home-based business. So make sure you stay tuned. Well, hello, my fabulous people. I am Melanie Warren. I am so glad that you are here. And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If you are returning back, welcome back to paradise. On my channel, I share things as it relates to protecting your income, spending less money, getting more money so you can create generational wealth by creating businesses and understanding the money game. Woo! So if you have not done so, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click, do that, good. Now click the bell button so you know when I upload videos every week. And so today we're going to talk about the structures, the legal structures that you should think about setting up as it relates to your home-based business. Now, make sure you go ahead and you stay all the way to the end. Don't leave until the video is finished. All right? So let's get to it. Number one. So the first business structure is sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship is when you are the only owner of the business. The only thing that is protected is you, right? You deal with the profit and the losses. So anything was to happen to the business, you are totally responsible. That means that if, heaven forbid, anything happens with the customer or client, they can come after you and your personal assets, right? But with a sole proprietorship, it's the easiest one to set up. You are allowed to start businesses immediately under a sole proprietorship. All right. And yes, you can open up a business bank account, which I'll talk about that in another video, a business bank account under a sole proprietorship, right? Just all of this is that it's going to be your name, of course, and your social security number. Now you can have a sole proprietorship as a DBA, but as I said, you still are responsible. Any profit or losses goes to you. That's it. All right. Excellent. So the next business setup, right, legal setup, is a partnership, meaning that it's two or more people. And the profit and the loss of the business goes to those individuals. Now, the same type of thing is that there is no protection against any personal assets, right? It is only, the protection is, there is none, right? Because they can go after the partnership's private assets and liabilities. That's how they can get sued, right? And attacking your personal. So there's no protection with that. But as I said, there is multiple people that are involved in the partnerships that can help with protecting. All right. Excellent. All right, my fabulous people. So let's go with the next legal setup, number 3, which is the LLC, Limited Liability Corporation. Now, this is the thing with the the liability corporation, where now the business, right? The business is being protected from the personal, right? Is being protected because now there are some partnerships and the partners are named members with the LLC. And so what does that mean? Say, for example, anything was to happen, getting sued, it won't be the attack of the personal as opposed with a sole proprietorship or partnership, but the corporation, the business, the LLC, right? So you have that legal protection. It said, but there is no stocks or anything that is a part of the LLC, and it is a very easy structure to set up as it pertains to setting up your business legal entity, right? As I said, the LLC. All right, so let us continue. Now, with the corporation, the members are shareholders, right? That meaning that they have a part ownership within the company. Now, with this now, where any profit is that is being made, it goes out to the shareholders. There's some taxations that goes out, but it goes towards a corporation. And so that is one of the, when it comes to a corporation, that is like the next level, a little bit more stringent. on there. You have to do an annual report every year. Same thing with LLC, but there's more structure that needs to be happening to it. So as your business can develops and grows, maybe you want to get to the corporation. But when you're starting out with your home-based business, I would say if you want to do a legal setup, either do a LLC, right? Because it's the easiest to really maintain. You have with the corporation, you have to have board of directors. You have to have laws and the minutes and all that has to be done every year, right? So there's some different structure that needs to be done, but that is the next one. All right. Next one, number 5, is the S corporation. Now the X corporation is definitely lot strict, right? It's definitely strict with the S corporation. Once again, with the X corporation, owners or members are called shareholders, just like the corporation. Now with the S corporation, with that, there are some tax implications that when it comes to, because sometimes it can be double tax with an X corporation as well. But you really want to be mindful of that if that's going to be the best fit for you. And I can go a little bit more detail. So I just want to really just touch on some basic things as far as the setups when it comes to your home-based business and what type of structures that you want to look in. So I would say either a sole proprietorship, partnership, or LLC. The corporation and S corporation is something as your business continues to expand and grow, then that's something later on, but keep it simple. Keep it really simple. All right. So I hope that information has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and book an appointment with me. You'll see my calendar in the description, so you can go ahead and do that now. It's 30 minutes. It's free consultation, really helping you to help you establish a business or help you to identify or any other matters that you may have as it relates to your home-based business. Okay, or you may have, I just need help when it comes to a financial game plan, what things I need to be having in place because I'm out here in these streets, right? So if that is you, I would love to connect with you. So make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. Also, right? If you haven't done so, subscribe, click the bell button so you know when I upload videos every week. So continue to follow me through in this process. And guys, like I always say, remember to pray, plan, and believe, because God is still in the business of doing miracles. Make it a great day. Bye.